In today's video, I'll be showcasing and explaining the hardware and software sides of a VEX IQ X-Drive. But first, we have to construct the X-Drive. So now we have a completed X-Drive. The biggest advantage of using an X-Drive over a tank drive is that X-Drives can move omnidirectionally while maintaining its orientation. X-Drives are also faster than tank drives at times, because when traveling at certain angles, the X-Drive is powered by all 4 of its motors, leading to faster acceleration. However, tank drives are more motor efficient as they only use 2 motors. X-Drives are also harder and more complicated to code. In the code, the first step is to determine what direction the X-Drive is being moved towards, as each direction may require some slight modifications to the true angle, the angle the robot should move towards, with driver-oriented control being accounted for, to make sure the value of the true angle is fit for the situation. We then use some trigonometry to determine the velocity of each wheel. It may seem a bit complicated looking at the code, but there is an easy way to visualize this with a unit circle. Set the velocity of the up and down wheels to the sine of the true angle, and set the right and left wheels to the cosine of the true angle. This way, the speeds of the 2 sets of wheels drive the robot in the intended direction. After that, turning must be taken into account as well. So if the driver wants to turn while moving, we add in a slight turn influence into each wheel to make the robot turn. If the robot is turning while stationary, we can have a larger turn influence and turn faster, as we do not need to worry about moving forward. However, there is an issue. There's a possibility that when the turn influence is adding while moving, the set velocity for some of the wheels could exceed 100%, disrupting our movement as the sine to cosine relation of the wheels is no longer fit. To account for this, we find out which wheel is being turned the fastest, then scale that wheel down to 100% velocity, and scale the others down with the same factor. If you want to check out the code for yourself, I'll have it in the description down below. So that sums up my X-Drive explanation. Hopefully you found this interesting. Make sure to subscribe because I have some really fun video ideas coming out in the next few weeks. And thanks for watching.